The future of car manufacturing is changing, and it's looking more human than ever. For the first time, the BMW Group is bringing physical AI to its European production lines, starting with a pilot project at Plant Leipzig in Germany. At the center of this transition is a new humanoid robot called AEON. AEON was first presented in June 2025 by Hexagon Robotics, a Zurich-based unit of Hexagon and a long-standing partner of the BMW Group. Unlike some robots designed solely for walking, AEON features a human-like upper body paired with a dynamic mobile base on wheels. Its design is modular and multifunctional. It allows for a wide range of hand and gripper elements, or even scanning tools to be swapped out depending on the task. This flexibility is key for its integration into complex industrial environments. The deployment of AEON marks a shift toward what BMW calls physical AI, the symbiosis of digital artificial intelligence with real-world machines. In Leipzig, the robot is being tested for multifunctional applications, specifically in the assembly of high-voltage batteries and component manufacturing. The goal isn't to replace humans, but to complement them. BMW is targeting tasks that are monotonous, ergonomically demanding, or safety critical, allowing the robot to relieve employees from physically exhausting work. This isn't BMW's first experience with humanoids. They recently completed a successful 10-month pilot at their Spartanburg plant in the US using the Figure 02 robot, which handled over 30,000 sheet metal parts. Now, the focus moves to Europe. Following laboratory tests and an initial trial in December 2025, a second test phase for AEON is scheduled for April 2026. If all goes well, the full pilot phase is expected to launch in summer 2026. By using robots like AEON that are capable of learning under real-world conditions, BMW aims to solidify its position as a technology leader in the iFACTORY era. As these digital AI agents become more autonomous, the line between software and heavy machinery continues to blur. What do you think about humanoid robots moving from the lab to the factory floor? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.